So today we are at Griffiss International Sculpture Garden and Nature Trail in Rome, New York.
There's a lot of old remnants of different things that
turns out
it's actually kind of interesting.
It's amazing.
But look at these things.
What? We just randomly found them.
And yeah, it said the parking was out here for the art park, but
the parking is not out here. But
no.
There's this huge plane. It's amazing.
Incredible. Let's go take a quick peek at some of these things. Really, the only sculpture that I've seen so far is this bench sculpture, which actually they're kind of...
Oh, and the trash can.
Oh yeah, the trash
really
can.
Pretty.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's supposed to be, but it's cool.
Yeah, look at... That's pretty nice, this trash. Yeah, the trash can is beautiful. Come up and look at these. There's a rock. I'm not going to read the sign first.
Okay.
There's a rock in this sculpture. Yes, the rock would be part of the sculpture.
The chair's part of the sculpture too.
Oh, it is? Is that what you're supposed to do? Sit in it and admire?
Oh, close. I already read the sign.
Oh, you read the sign? Okay, let's go read the sign.
Contemplating Sisyphus. Because he had to push the rock up there. Get it? It was cursed to have to push a rock up a giant mountain, and it'd like fall back down, and then he'd have to keep pushing it back up.
Oh.
I think there were other things in there too about maybe his eyes getting pecked out every day or some ridiculous thing, but I could be confusing my mythology.
That sounds pleasant either way.
Yeah, I mean, ancient gods were great.
Here's another one. Maybe we'll read the sign first on this one, because it's more interesting when you read the signs first.
Yeah.
Landforms.
Cool.
The sculpture out in the distance, but this is actually what drew us here is this guy.
He's a big guy.
Yeah, it was created in the 1940s, and because he resembled the Alley-Oop character from the Sunday comics, he got that nickname.
So I guess he was lost for a while?
I guess so, like a couple decades, just lost out there someplace.
Lost his leg, poor dude.
Yeah, suffered graffiti, and there's a few old pictures of him online that I'll put up here so you can see. He was much taller with the actual
legs.
And
He is
lost
still
his
pretty
gun.
big though.
Yeah, and he has his gun back. They made a new gun for him.
Yeah, his little accessories.
Yeah, so it's nice to see him kind of back where he belongs, at home, and in a nice art park that everyone can enjoy.
Yeah, an art park is a nice place for him to retire.
Yeah, especially since he's a sculpture.
Exactly.
Yeah. Tough looking guy.
She ate pomegranate seeds when she was down there because she wasn't supposed to eat or drink anything while she was in captivity because Hades is a kidnapping zone. But she ate pomegranate seeds, and so every single year she has to go back down to Hades, to the underworld, to chill with Hades. And Demeter gets very, very sad, and since she's the goddess of the harvest, that's why there's winter and everything dies and gets icy and cold, and then when Persephone can come back, spring happens. So they're probably sea bubbles then.
Oh, sea bubbles? Oh, because she was from the sea, right? Deduction. Brilliant deduction. Me no smarts.
genuinely very cool. It makes me wonder if they have any sort of lights or anything to light them up at night. Wouldn't that be amazing? Look at their chain down too. I wonder if they move.
It's to keep the hamsters in place.
Doesn't it?
It does look like a giant tail.
The giant tail of a sea monster that the Pegasus is battling.
Oh.
I wish we could get closer. Rome, if you could build a crosswalk to the Pegasus statue, that would be really super because it looks like it's a mirror finish and it looks really cool. Maybe it's a dragon.
Yeah, maybe it's a dragon. Could be.
Sun dragon.
Oh. Is that like a head? Or Phoenix? Oh, a character I know. Like, I wonder what it looks like from satellite view.
I know.
It's cool. It's got a big spring here. It looks like a horrible what was that, playground thing.
It would be very dangerous.
Yeah, it's the last playground you'll go on, kid. It's probably not part of the art park, official art park, because we're across the street from it.
Yeah.
Like,
It doesn't have a sign. It's
Yeah.
cool looking though. I like it.
yeah, it is cool. Yeah.
Oh, there's one more sculpture too though.
Oh, there is? Oh,
Yeah, by the parking lot. It looks really neat. It's huge.
oh okay. Then I'll take a look at that. You mean the porta potties? That's not a sculpture.
No.
Oh. Wonder what. I don't remember.
You'll remember it when you see it.
Oh, okay. Freya.
That's Norse mythology.
Why? Everything else is what?
Greek.
Oh, Greek?
So
Oh.
far.
Kind of just parked on the side of the road here. There's a lot of, since this is an old Air Force base, there's a lot of like railroad tracks. Look at this switcher that's here. Sorry about the wind again. HWA, US Air Force. It's still in use, or what they do with it? I would imagine it's still something. There are no chucks on it, things like that. It's pretty wild, right? It's pretty cool. We're just on the side of the road really quick, so I'd stop and take a peek. It's super awesome.